If you're a homeowner and you pay more than $99 a month for your electric bill, then make sure to watch this important video now. Until the end of this year, the federal government is offering homeowners special rebates when they upgrade their home and get solar installed. This means you can reduce your monthly energy bill 80% or more and get solar installed for $0 down and no out-of-pocket expense. The truth is, there has never been a more affordable time to switch to solar. With electricity costs rising an average 4.5% each year, a $100 monthly bill will cost a homeowner over $53,000 over the course of 25 years. Until recently, the cost of going solar has been too high for most homeowners. But in the last 4 years, the cost of solar panels has plummeted. And with the help of special federal rebate programs for qualified zip codes, there has never been a better time to upgrade your home. Not only will you save tens of thousands of dollars on your monthly electricity bill over the life of your home, but the median home value actually increased an average of $36,563 after having solar installed. In fact, let me share a little secret with you. It's quite possible your monthly energy bill could actually drop to $0 a month. What could you do with the money you'll be saving on not having to pay an electric bill every month? So you might be wondering, how is this possible? Well, let me explain it to you like this. When you have solar installed on your roof, it'll likely generate more electricity than the home uses during daylight hours. If the home is net metered, the electricity meter will run backwards. This provides a credit against what electricity is consumed at night or other periods when the home's electricity usage exceeds the system's output. Customers are only billed for their net energy use. So, what does this mean? Simply put, homeowners can use the solar power that's produced during the day to run their homes at night. And you can also sell excess electricity back to the grid at retail rates. It's a win-win. Here's the catch. Not all homes or homeowners qualify. To get solar for $0 out of pocket, there are a few requirements. Most importantly, you must own your home. Your average cost for electricity must exceed $99 per month, and you must live in an eligible zip code. Checking to see if you live in an eligible zip code is actually very easy. It takes under a minute and is completely free. Click the link below, answer a few questions, and then enter your zip code. From there, you're going to see what you qualify to receive, and with the cost of solar panels being lower than they've ever been, you're going to want to take advantage of the available federal rebate program before it's no longer available at the end of this year. This program allows you to get solar installed for $0 down and no out-of-pocket expense. Not to mention the fact you could literally reduce your monthly electric bill to $0. So just to be super clear, the government is giving you a federal rebate that will help you reduce your energy cost to nothing. Going solar has basically become a no-brainer. Act now to take advantage of the federal rebates now before it's too late. Click the link below to answer a few questions and find out how easy it could be to totally eliminate your monthly electricity bill.